Okay, now to get this porcupine, I'm going to show you how you can do it without getting hurt. Pick it up by his hand. Now you see he has no quills on the underside. Let me see if I can hold his hand. Okay. There we go. Ha ha ha. I did it. Of course, his hand needs to go inside now. Yay! I have my porcupine. And I didn't get any quills in me. Of course, there's quills in the trunk all over the place now. And now I am a further 3 minutes late. But I have my porcupine. Yay! See, there's so many things I do with the quills. So you can use them, you flatten them. Like the natives would do it through their teeth. I think they would remove all the quills. I don't know if they would boil them or whatever they did first. But anyway, so with the natives with their teeth, they flattened all the quills, and then they make holes in the birch bark, and then they dye the quills. Yeah, that's right. Would that be interesting? I could do that. I could dye the quills. I could just use RIT dye. I could have, actually, I have that dye from those plants. I suppose it's gone bad by now. I have it in jars. Wow, look at all the crow, whatever they're called, turkey vultures. It's because there's a dump here. I'm so glad I got a porcupine. Anyway, so with the quills, when you take them out, you can sort them. I'll show you that, so that you have the same length together. What was that on the side of the road? I'll go back and see. My poor friend Esther. Oh, it's late already. What does 5 more minutes matter? A rock? Okay. Let's pull in here and have a look. It looks like a duck or something. Or maybe it's just a stone. Now look at it. That's an interesting bird. It's a juvenile. Those are beautiful feathers, aren't they? It's a juvenile gull. It's probably hit by a car. Those are nice feathers. You can use feathers like that for making earrings. And there's other things to use interesting feathers for. You saw the video once upon a time about the harvesting, was it pheasant? Feathers from a pheasant? That was one of the first videos I ever did. Okay, on we go. He smelled a bit. So I'll have to remove all these before when I pick up Ben in Ottawa. Stinks. I have soap in the car. I'm gonna give my friend some soaps. And I have some water right here, so maybe I'll just stop at this stop sign, this red light, and I'll wash my hands. Okay, I better go. Bye.